I am Anil.Khandelwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss an excellent question shared by one of our subscribers. We are going to solve for x and y, where the equation is x plus y square root 2 times 3 minus square root 2 equals to minus 2 square root 2. Now, the beauty of this equation is that there are two unknowns x and y, and we have only one equation, and that makes it extremely difficult. How do we solve such an equation is what you're going to learn in this particular video. Perfect. So now, first step is let us expand and simplify the expression on the left hand side. So we'll multiply with x first, so we get 3x minus x square root 2. Multiplying with y square root 2, we get plus 3y square root 2. And then we get minus square root 2 times square root 2 is 2. So minus 2y equals to minus 2 square root 2. That gives us an equation. Now from here, how do we solve? Now what you notice is that on the right side, we have minus 2 square root 2. So that's the radical part square root 2, right? Now, the other part, which is like 3x minus 2y, that should be equal to what? So that is the thing. We can say plus 0 here, right? So that gives you two equations to solve. What are these two equations? One is 3x minus 2y equals to 0, right? Because there is no term without square root 2 on the right hand side. The other terms are with square root 2. That gives us the second equation, which is now minus x square root 2, and we have minus 2 square root 2. So we can write x square root 2, right? We'll make that minus 3y square root 2 equals to 2 square root. Makes sense. So these are all with square root 2, right? So we could make this as the second equation, right? So of course, we can take away square root 2, right? That's the way to write it. And so we have a linear equation to work with, right? So let me rewrite this equation now. So we'll rewrite this as minus. So we made this as plus, since right hand side we had minus x minus 3y equals to 2. Perfect. Now it becomes simpler. So two equations to work with. From one, we generated two equations. Now we can solve it, right? So you can use any method to now solve. So what we are going to do is from x minus 3y equals 2, we will find x is equal to 3y plus 2, right? Now, so this was equation number 1, which we got, and we isolated x and got equation number 3. We are going to substitute this x value in 1, right? So we'll get 3 times 3y plus 2 minus 2y equals to 0. You could have solved now these equations with elimination also, right? Okay. So 9y plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2y equals to 0. So 9y minus 2y. Okay, this was 2y. 9y minus 2y is 7y. So we get 7y plus 6 equals to 0, or 7y equals to minus 6, y equals to minus 6 by 7, right? So we got one of our answers, the value of y, as minus 6 over 7. So from here we can find the value of x also, correct? X, as you can see from equation 3, is 3y plus 2. So x will be 3 times minus 6 over 7 plus 2, which gives us minus 18 over 7 plus 2, and that gives us minus 18 plus 14 over 7, or we get minus 4 over 7. So we get the value of both x and y, as you can see here. So the idea was, how do we split one equation in two to get our values, correct? So we get x equals to minus 4 over 7 and y equals to minus 6 over 7 as the answer. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.